Kathy from Kiki's. I'm doing some work here. We're almost done putting all the kits together for Expo, and now it's time to put together the prize packages. Yes, last year we had one prize, one grand prize. That was nice, but not a lot of people got to participate. So this year, we've decided on a heck of a lot more prizes. So we have quill kits, we have patterns, we have all kinds of things. We have jewelry, we have amazing selection of door prizes. And I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, we're giving away not just one, but we're giving away a R6 50-inch 4K big screen TV, one a week. Yeah, come to Expo. Guess what you could win? Yeah, so tell your husband or your significant other, or even you, if you want to watch sewing videos in beautiful 4K on a big scale. Yeah, come to Expo. You could go home with a TV. Pretty cool, right? On the day of Expo, you get 20% off everything in the store. We're going to have specials on machines. More on that a little bit later. So if you haven't signed up for Expo, there's some room left. You better get on it. And yeah, a TV a week. Pretty sweet.